keep on doing it like you're doing it, because you're doing it the way it's supposed to be done. Hey, Rocket, we'll bump it down on you later.
Oh, Blackbird, the west side of the best side of New Orleans got down.
48 Texas, ready to go.
Blackbird. I don't know if they can't talk to you, Blackbird. It's been a long time, but I'm up for Sunday. Hey, Blackbird, do you know what about that?
Yeah, straight away. Yeah, you can't know what, do it to you, last of the weekend. I ain't coming to the show. Oh, Blackbird on the west side of the best side of New Orleans got down.
Roger, that me and Lady feel good.
You know, so I like Dirty Sanchez. People on the interview say, you gotta say, it's all about Blackbird. Dirty Sanchez, it's all about Blackbird on the west side of the best side of New Orleans. It's Dirty Sanchez. People on the interview say, and then it says Blackbird, and then it says and then Blackbird got down.
I got it on Blackbird, I got it now. Take care, Blackbird, God bless you and yours. Well, on later, Mr. Blackbird, I'll see ya.
Hey, Dirty Sanchez, can you say 499? Hey, Dirty Sanchez, 499. Hope you have good conditions and all up there. Hey, y'all have a great day. Stubnose 38, Oklahoma, back out of the way. Turn right around, Dirty Sanchez. Enjoy you eating, man. I heard you out there figure out bumped out as soon as I get my name out there and your name. Hey, Mr. Dirty Sanchez, 499. Stop by these broken heels is back out.
Take care, 499. Appreciate you bumping down here in Northwest Corner. Dirty Sanchez, you know where I go. I'll see ya. Get right home, Mr.
Is it in Camel Toe Country or Moose Knuckle Country?
Big horn.
Oh, Beaver. You in Beaver State Country, that's right, I'm sorry. Beaver Country. You know, do you guys have big beavers down there, or little beavers? You ever have them big beavers that have them big...
Yeah, how about it? Leave it to Beaver. How about it? Leave it to Beaver. You got a copy, brother?
Don't interrupt our conversation. Sit your butt down.
Hey, good one. You say you going to go to them? You know, well, I am good one. They call me.
Hey, don't call Leave It to Beaver.
Sound like he still you up. I give him a little bit. So it sound like my new food, the ISO still on. You said ISO is talking about Beaver. Take care, throw you later. Leave it to Beaver. Switchblade, get down.
Hey, Uncle, it's Porky. Hey, Uncle, Porky. Porky, not ISO, Porky, the pot-belly pig. Break.
Copy. All right, Rascal, you sounded some kind of wonderful this evening, too. Take care, Beaver. I'm going to leave it to you. Hey, Beaver, Switchblade, get down.
What about Porky? You ain't going to call Porky there, Break? I'm going to leave it to the Beaver and I'm going to stick a pork in his butt there, Break.
On there. Well, you got that hammer down now. I want people in your background, but you got it down. Take care. Leave it to Beaver. Switchblade, I'll leave it to you. Bye-bye.
How about we stick a pork in his beaver? Hey, Uncle, can we stick pork in the beaver there, Brick?
Is it done? I think he can hear you. Porky, I think he can hear you. You want to stick a fork in it to make sure it's done. Take care, Porky, I see you.
No, I want to stick the pork in the beaver. I want to stick a pork in the beaver there, Brick.
That's what I said, Porky. You want to stick a fork in it to make sure it's done. The beaver. The only time you stick a fork in a beaver is either you make sure it's done or you finna eat it. Take care, Paul. You later, Porky. Hey, ice hole. Bye-bye.
It's done. Catch you later, Uncle Blade. You know who it is, your nephew, the ice hole. The big fat pig is gone.
Tell you, Porky's a pig. I came to kid up and said, what color you want your beaver? He said, well, how you like your beaver? Take care. Put on your later, nephew. I'll see you.
Juicy. Ain't no big color, just juicy there, Brick.
No favorite color, just juicy. You know the beaver got a flat tail, right? Hey, nephew, you know the beaver got a flat tail built like a damn boat pedal. So be real careful what part of that beaver you start on. I see you.
I ain't worried about the tail. I'm just worried about that buck tooth. I'm worried about that two big teeth in the front there. That's what I'm worried about there, Break.
That rolling got down.
We worried about his big teeth. Hey, Uncle, the teeth.
Well, 709 is an ice hole in Alaska trying to get away from a beaver. And the beaver had a damn tail like a boat pedal. And then the damn beaver himself leave it to beaver keyed up and said that, what did you say? Leave it to beaver keyed up 709 and said that he said somebody's tail. But he's trying to give it to the ice hole in Alaska. Ain't that something? 709, how you doing?
Man, I can't.
He can feed it to Rocky. He can give it to Rocky. 709 would eat the beaver tail and worry about nothing else. He won't worry about the beaver. He'll eat the tail there, Break.
Hey, 709, everybody's making it rough. I heard you say something about some coffee. And the damn ice hole in the ice hole in Alaska making it rough. But what killed me, the damn beaver himself. Oh my goodness. The ice hole said something about mud on the beaver's tail. But that brown stuff is not mud. The ice hole.
Well, when they got me to like I was hammer, not no mud. I tell him you said mud flat. Big boy, got on and down.
Yeah, Break. 709 shit on the tail.
709. Who love porkies and beavers? Who love porky and beavers? Porky, 709, Breaker.
709 like pork buds and applesauce. 709 like a pork bud and applesauce.
Give that corn call pipe after that slow. Hey, Switchblade, you need to give that corn call pipe after that slow man. He's building
I'll tell y'all crazy as hell. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I can hear all three of y'all. But Sanchez is on top. Hey, 709. Hey, 709. That cat digging. Leave it to Beaver, so get that corn cob pipe out of the snowman's mouth and smoke it. He wants you to get that pull out. I think he said get it out of his mouth. He said get that corn cob from that side. I hope he didn't say get the corn cob from the ice hole. I hope he didn't say that. Watch out, 709. Watch out for Beaver. Bye-bye.
Tell him to put the corn cob and both of them can go smoke it. If both of them put the corn cob back, they won't have nothing.
I never thought about it like that. What the hell is a porky 709, what the hell it is a porky beaver? What the hell are you telling me? Hey, 709, bye-bye.
He ain't telling you nothing, because he can't get it all. He not telling you everything, because you can't get it all. Hey, Uncle Blade, the porkster's gone.
Ow! Oh, so they done it. You said Porky, the pig, and the beaver becomes doing it. And you said they breed it. Hey, hey, 709. Oh! Hey, yeah, 709. Good boy.
Tell him to look in his back pocket. Tell him to look in his back pocket. He'll find one.
I'm all trying to roll a 5 on you. You said you never saw a pig, pork, and beaver. Hey, 709. You said you never saw a pig, pork, a beaver. Is that the same thing as hopping a beaver? Hey, 709. I gotta go.
You got me in the corner. The Yakimo sound get there.
You gonna get me in trouble. Take care of 709. I love this stuff. Take care, bro. Switchblade laughing. Bye-bye.
At least we pork. Hey, Blade, at least we pork there. Bye-bye.
Whoa. What are you saying? I know 709 is an OG. OG stands for the old gangster. But you said at least you... At least y'all get some. You trying to say 709 don't get none? Oh! Y'all are crazy.
He needs to ice his rod. He needs to ice his rod so he can get using it. Maybe he needs to stick his head in the ice hole. I'm gone.
Y'all are crazy. Hey, my goodness, I'm killing myself. Hey, y'all. Hey, 709, you know I forgot what you said, but I remember what he said. He said a snowman. Hey, 709, I gotta go. I can't make a Sanchez and lost his rabbit. Switchblade getting out.
What they all waiting for? What they waiting on? I want to hear it. I want to hear it. Hey, Blade, I want to hear what they got to say out of their own mouth.
Oh, my goodness. Condition is dropping, and I'm glad that y'all killing me. Take care, 709. Take care, 1600. And take care, Dirty Sanchez. Switchblade, 10-6. Good night.
Good night, Switchblade. I was fun. Switchblade, I was fun. Good night.
It wasn't fun, Sanchez. It wasn't.
Hello, 1-2. Nothing, wouldn't it? How is it, man? How are you? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, good night.
No, I'm pissed off now. I didn't get enough thighs rolled on me.
You rolled a couple of 5s too now. Hold up, nephew. Hey, ice hole. You rolled a couple of 5s too. Take care, nephew. Good night.
No, I wanted them to roll more. I wanted more funky fives there, Blackbird.
That motherfucker ain't getting me good night. That motherfucker ain't getting me.
You got 709. You got 709.
I can't do it.
You're like a cardio. Hey, maybe you got 709 at bay. Well, the Sanchez over here that way. I got to get off this radio, though. Switchblade blackout.
I'm not worried about it. It's okay. Tell him I said real good job. But tell 709 he can stick his head in the ice hole anytime.
Copy. Stick his nose in your ice hole. You said tell 709. Yeah. Dirty Sanchez got the advantage. You doing good, man. Like 1600. You said tell 709 he can stick his nose in your ice hole or something you said. Oh my goodness, take care. Good night.
Bye. ISO said bye.
you out, you porky. You did good on that key. Take care. Bye, bye, bye.
Sooner or later, they're gonna lose Mother Nature. Then I'm gonna rise to the top. But good thing you got to go, cause I got lots to roll. Catch you later, Uncle Blade. Yo.
You say he's hosing it down, hurling it down. Hey, hey, Dirty. Man, oh man, I can't even talk straight. Hey, you know, 1600. Cause when that boy talking crazy, that's some good stuff though. Take care of Dirty, I'm black out.
I'll give it a boy a plate.
He's called Dirty Cheese now. His name is...
Oh, okay. Yeah. Does that have anything? Is that in the same doorway?
1, 2.
In the train or?
1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check.
Yeah. Where is he holding the sun? Where is he holding? He got the snowman by his head go his legs. No, never mind. They dirty, never mind. Where did he go, T-Ro?
Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio check. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check. 1, 2.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, 1, 2. Ta-ta. 1, 2. Something is not right about this thing, man. What's going on with it?
Ain't worried about you, I'm worried about Sanchez.
No, bad company is 1, 2, 3 Chicago. I just yeah, I think I got a little audio gremlin. Hey, bad company. 1, 2, 3 Great Big Lakes. 1, 2, 3 in Chicago. Breaker.
If I get you 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I heard you talking to cars out.
No, he was eating your corn cob. Sanchez was eating your corn cob on your...
Oh, man, did ring on that, nipples. Hey, bad company, Can't Big and Dirty Sanchez keyed up on you, man. He told me to tell you hello. Hey, bad company. Hey, Sanchez, 1, 2, 3, thanks.
Sanchez, how was that corn cob there, Bray?
Yeah, Henry. Didn't find out. Waiting for this recorder to boot up.
Yes, sir. Well, let me get out of here. 1, 2, 3.
Recording on
Dirty Sanchez.
Dirty Sanchez, 1, 2, 3.
I'm back there.
All by yourself. Take care.
Yo, Big Hammer, catch a rabbit, 1, 2, 3. Time to scoot over, Big Hammer, 1.
Hey, Dirty Sanchez, 1, 2, 3, Chicago Breaker. I think my headphones were messed up. That recording went perfect. I played it in the room and it was perfect. It's got something to do with my headphones. He said, I'm smoking out there. I ain't even looking. I'm kind of in the middle. Between Cali and the northwest corner. Sanchez, 1, 2, 3, Big Lakes. Holding this, can't make it stick. They break. You're right, that's my neighbor. Oh, Big Hammer, he's over there in Jolly in Illinois. That's my neighbor, man. That's a pretty cool dude, too, man. He's funny as hell. Hey, Sanchez, tell my neighbor I said hello. 1, 2, 3. He said, tell Big Hammer, what's up? Bring up. You're right, but you gotta do it like I did it. Say, hey, Big Hammer, what's up?
Take care, 1, 2, 3. Take care, 1, 2, 3. Bad company, boy, Oregon, shouting. It's all good. Hello, 1, 2, 3. It's all good, Mr. 1, 2, 3. The great Big Hammer, Sludge Hammer's gone.
Sanchez, what kind of trouble you getting into today? Hey, Sanchez, what kind of trouble you getting into this evening?
All right, Big Hammer, I hear you. I hear you out there around Bad Boys Town. Oh, Big Hammer, 1, 2, 3. Great Big Lake,
Chicago said, I'm kind of looking at your break.
1, 2, 3, bad company, say hello again. 1, 2, 3, bad company, say hello.
Well, Dirty Sanchez, I'm gonna do it like this, man. See if I can keep your radio up.
Yeah, right. Bad. Hey, bad company, you're doing your thing right there. Oh, bad company. Wait a minute. My headphones fixed themselves. Yeehaw! Oh, good company. Oh, big hammer's gone. I've been messing with the headphones for about 15 minutes, and they straighten themselves up. Hey, bad company, I said, you're bad company with some good luck. The breaker.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, right, well, that's the whole thing about CB radio, man. You're supposed to laugh and have a good time. All these cat makers coming out here with big old fat lips, cat making poked out, saying, I can't key on you, I can key on me, this and go out there and talk on that damn radio. Hey, bad company, you hear me break.
Yeah, I don't listen to nobody. You a man of many names and many numbers. Hey, Mr. Nobody. Just right on that back.
Bad company. We are west. 1, 2, 3. Great. Big Lake, Chicago breaker.
4 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's been a pleasure, man. You made my day. Don't you worry about it. 1, 2, 3. Take care, man. Come to say hello to yourself a good time. I'll see you.
There are you. Hey, me out of trouble, Mr. Nobody. Nobody, the many man of many names and nobody. Mr. Nobody, 499 instead of
Hey, bad company, click that cat figure again, the break.
Yeah, Roger 410. Roger 410 on that. 1, 2, 3. Roger 410 on that. 1, 2, 3. Bad company, right back.
Man, Mother Nature pulled the rug.
Bye.
Man. Hey, bad company, I guess Mother Nature pulled her socks off. She's walking barefoot. 1, 2, 3, big legs rolling to the left.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, Mad Max. Hello, 1, 2, 3, Mad Max. 1, 2, 3, Mad Max. In a minute. Bye.
How about it? 1, 2, 3, man. Come to say have yourself a good night.
1, 2, 3, looking good. 1, 2, 3, looking real good. On the mini grand. Check it, Mr. 1, 2, 3, Mad Max in Islands. Bye.
Mad Max, bad company, one more time. Mad Max, your bad company said bye.
Blackjack and these Buckeyes, and the Blackjack is gone.
Hey, Blackjack and the Buckeye bad company said hello to you.
Hey, Dirty Sanchez, I ain't say nothing. I just thought I'd bump this old driver down. I'm gonna get back on the side, Dirty Sanchez, Blackjack. I'll see you.
Bye, Blackjack, bad company. Bye, Blackjack, bad company. Get down. Dang, this old driver don't sound that bad, Dirty Sanchez. I appreciate the playback. I'm gonna sit back and read the mail. Hey, Dirty Sanchez, your friend downtown Dayton. I'm gone.
Bye-bye, Blackjack. Take care, later. Keep coming at it.
Blackjack Bad Company, want to wave a hand? Blackjack Bad Company, Portland, Oregon, waving a hand. Blackjack Bad Company, get down.
395.
Alright, Bad Company. I had to wait for Dirty Sanchez to get off that hammer. But I'm going to say hello to you, Bad Company, and have a great night, evening. Bad Company, Blackjack and these Buckeyes. I see you.
Where are you, Blackjack? I got it all. Bad Company, getting on down.
Hello, Washington State. What would you say you call yourself? Nobody. What was your 28?